Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing the car so it won't move. Park on a level surface, set the handbrake, and chock the opposite wheel. Next, remove the hubcap and loosen the lug nuts about a half turn. Do this now because the wheel will bind once raised. Then locate the Swift DZire's factory jack point, usually just behind the front wheel or on the pinch weld, and position the jack saddle directly under that reinforced spot so the load is centered and safe. Once the jack is correctly placed, pump or turn the jack handle steadily until the tire lifts about 2 to 3 inches off the ground, enough to spin freely. After that, fully remove the lug nuts and keep them in a clean spot so you don't lose any. Pull the wheel straight off the hub. If it's stuck, give it a gentle kick to break it free. Before you do more work, slide a jack stand under the subframe and lower the car onto it to ensure redundant support. To finish, lift the car slightly on the jack to remove the jack stand, then place the wheel back on the hub and thread lug nuts by hand to avoid cross-threading. Lower the car slowly until the tire contacts the ground, then fully lower and remove the jack. Tighten lug nuts in a star pattern to the Suzuki torque spec to prevent rotor warping. If the jack fails to lift, stop and verify placement, check the jack's condition, or swap to the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.